Bonjour les amis. Today I am going to start with the superlative degree. We have already covered the comparative degree. Now today we are going to start with the superlative degree. In superlative degree you have to add the definite article to the comparative. So the youngest boy, le plus jeune garçon. The youngest boy. So this is the adjective. Your plus is a comparative degree. Now we know more. So when you add le, it becomes the superlative degree. So the youngest, it becomes the youngest. It's translated as le plus jeune means the youngest. Only plus jeune means younger, but le plus jeune means youngest. The tallest girl, la plus grand fille, the tallest girl. The best boy, le meilleur garçon, the best boy. If the adjective follows the noun, then its superlative should. We all know there are few short adjectives which come before a noun in French. Otherwise, all the adjectives of color, nationality, shape, size, they all come after the noun. They follow the noun. They are not before the noun. So, if the adjective is coming after the noun, then your superlative degree will also follow the noun. Examples: the wealthiest man, l'homme le plus riche. The wealthiest man. Here the wealthiest is written after the man, okay, because rich is an adjective which comes after the noun. So you are writing l'homme le plus riche, not le plus riche l'homme, but before after it you are writing. The least interesting stories, les histoires les moins intéressants. The stories, least interesting stories. The stories are the noun, and interesting is followed up, comes after the noun. So your superlative degree also comes after the noun. Note, the definite article is dropped after a possessive noun. See, when sorry, when we all know we have definite possessive adjectives. We have possessive adjectives. So my best friend, mon meilleur ami. You are now my best. Here it is a superlative degree, my best friend, but you are not writing here the article because here it is a possessive adjective. But if the adjective comes after the noun, then the definite article will be there. But my richest friend, mon ami le plus riche. Here there is a possessive adjective, but since the adjective is coming after the noun, you are retaining the definite article. You are retaining the definite article. Another points to note, you all understood this? You have to add the definite article for superlative degree, and if possessive adjective is there, if the adjective is coming before the noun, then you don't write the definite article. Otherwise, you write the definite article. After a superlative, the word in is translated by de, and we use ce instead of ill. Examples: he is the best boy in the class. Now he is ill, isn't it? He is ill. But we are writing ce, and ce becomes c apostrophe before est. So c'est le meilleur garçon de la classe. He is the best boy in the class. Now, in is translated as de over here. In the superlative degree, in is translated as de, and he, she, they masculine and they feminine are translated by ce, and it becomes c apostrophe before a vowel. So, c'est le meilleur garçon de la classe. He is the best boy in the class. Second example, she is the richest girl in the town. C'est la fille la plus riche de la ville. C'est la fille, she is. Now she is ELLE, but you are translating as CE, and CE becomes C apostrophe. And in the city. So do, it is translated as DE over here. Third example, it is the smallest room in the hotel. It is the smallest room in the hotel. It is also IL masculine. So c'est la plus petite chambre de l'hôtel. So C apostrophe EST, la PLUS, petite PETITE, chambres, CHAMBRE, the l'hôtel, L apostrophe HO, circumflex TEL. You get it? So, after a superlative, the word in is translated as CE and in is translated as DE. Now note, this is an important note. Younger or prettier of the two is translated in superlative. Younger or prettier of the two is translated in the superlative degree and not comparative. Example, he is the younger of the two. C'est le plus jeune des deux. C'est le plus jeune des deux. C apostrophe EST LE PLUS JEUNE DES DEUX. Okay. She is the prettier of the two. C apostrophe EST la PLUS JOLIE is pretty, DES and DEUX. So you are translating in the superlative degree, though here it is comparative, prettier. But you are doing it la plus jolie. Okay, la plus jolie. C'est la plus jolie des deux. Okay, so this all are the important notes in forming the superlative degree. Now today's vocabulary. What is the vocabulary? MEILLEUR, better or best. So here le meilleur is best. LE space MEILLEUR, best. Then RICHE, rich. VILLE, city or town. VILLE, city or town. Then chambre is room. CHAMBRE, feminine noun. CHAMBRE, feminine noun. Hotel is HO circumflex TEL. HO circumflex TEL. Then JEUNE, young. Adjective young. JEUNE. Masculine also is JEUNE. Feminine is also JE. When a noun ends in E, for feminine it will remain the same. JEUNE. JOLIE, pretty. JOLIE, pretty. DEUX is, you know, it's a number 2. So this is, now we have covered comparative degree and we have covered also superlative degree. So that's all for today, and next time I will give you all a few sentences on comparative and superlative degrees, so you have still more better idea. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.